2024 was a unique year for me. There were expectations that came true, great things I never imagined that happened, and harsh realities I'd never expected that struck. I finally started a YouTube channel in 2024, but it was more than I thought, and well, it's not so easy. I achieved the top photography goal, but as a photographer, I think I failed in 2024. Or maybe I'm wrong. I'm a no excuse kind of person, and that can be tough sometimes, especially when the things that make you not be able to do things are not things you can control. I took very few pictures, I was inconsistent, and I really wasn't improving in ways I'd had wanted to. And no matter how much I tried, I just couldn't convince myself that it wasn't my fault. As an adult, life can feel overwhelming with so many options. It's hard to find balance when you're constantly overanalyzing, you beat yourself up, constantly wanting progress, and even when you make some, you fail to appreciate it. Then there's the disappointment that can make you feel like you did nothing. That's how 2024 made me feel. It affected my creativity, it affected my mental well being. But the good thing about having an underwhelming year is that the bar is set so low. That means you can easily surpass it. And when you do, that's a great boost. I started photography because it was a way for me to express myself, numb my pains, and even though I can't really do it right now, I know I'll have that again. That spark is still there. I'm stepping into a new year expecting nothing. I don't expect to capture my favorite spiders with prey, or take a picture of a snake, or meet some colorful frogs. Of course, I like frogs. The only thing I charge myself to do is pick up my camera and create with whatever is available. It doesn't have to be perfect. I just have to like it, learn from it, and maybe enjoy the process. Maybe you felt this way too. Maybe you felt stuck, overwhelmed, or it just didn't go right in your own creative journey. For 2025, let's embrace freedom together. Let's rebuild our joy for photography through simplicity, no pressure, and no expectation. I'm excited to see what comes next, to create without boundaries and to share that journey with all of you.